Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, class 9th biology, we are discussing chapter number 3, biodiversity. Today our topic is impact of human beings on biodiversity. The first question which can be asked from this topic is, what are the major causes of species extinction? Habitat loss, deforestation, overhunting, introduction or removal of species, pollution, and climate changes are the major causes of species extinction. The second question is, what are extinct species? In an ecosystem, a species is called extinct when there is no doubt that the last individual of that species had died in that ecosystem. And the second question in this paragraph is, what are endangered species? A species is called endangered when it is at risk of extinction in near future. If that is at the risk of extinction, then that is endangered. This question can also be asked as, what is the difference between extinct and endangered species? Then there are some MCQs. The first one is, by 1000 years ago there were 5 million people on earth. And the second is, today around 600 million people live on earth. And other are the definitions of extinct and endangered species. The next question is, what is the greatest threat to biodiversity? Habitat loss is probably the greatest threat to biodiversity on earth today. Then the MCQs may be asked, how many people are added to world population each day? More than 26,000 people are added to the world population each day. How many people are added each minute? More than 180 people are added each minute in the world population. The next question is, harms of Euclipetes. Euclipetes plants have some harms because these plants consume more water and have disturbed the water table or level of underground water. It harms other small plants that grow near eucalyptus trees. So these plants are not useful. Then in the last there is a diagram which shows known causes of species extinctions. According to this figure or diagram, there are some percentages which can be asked as MCQs. For example, the cause of species extinction is new species introduction, that is 39%. Habitat destruction may cause the species extinction 36%. Same as hunting 23% and other 2%. The other question is, if sea stars are removed from a region in ocean, what will happen? So there is the answer of this question. The next topic is about the deforestation and overhunting. That question can also be asked as a long question. The first definition can be asked as short question, and that is, define forestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees for the conversion of forest to non-forest land. Here is another question about the deforestation, and that is, what are the reasons of deforestation? And these are some reasons. The other question is, what is the result of deforestation? And here are the results of deforestation. The MCQs on this page may be: sea star or starfish. Sea star or starfish eats mussels. And deforestation definition may also be asked as MCQs. Destruction of significant area of forest has resulted in degraded environment with reduced biodiversity. Our next topic is causes and effects of deforestation. First, there are causes. The question may be, what are the main causes of deforestation? These are the causes of deforestation. And if the question is asked, give some effects of deforestation, then all these are the effects which can be described briefly in the short question and in detail in the long question. And if we see the MCQs, then the urban development may be the cause of deforestation. As well, removal of forest is for wood, agriculture, or urban development. Almost 3 billion people in developing countries, almost 3 billion people rely on wood for heating and cooking. So these are the questions which we discussed today. In the next lecture, we shall continue over topic deforestation. Till then, Allah Hafiz.